Welcome to the Bhaskar Sports. Last time we had discussed the 400 meters track, and today we would like to discuss about the shot put diagram, how to draw the shot put diagram and discuss diagram. So let us go to the ground. Once whenever you go to the ground, first we have to see the directions, the east, west, north and south. So always the shot put diagram should be the north to south. That's why suppose it is the east, west, north to south. So either from towards this side or it should be this side. You have to draw that. So let us go for the first one, shot put. In the shot put, first in the east to west. East to west, once if you go draw the nearly 10 meters, it is a rough line, straight line. East to west, based on that, the east to west line. So in this, now from the 10 meters if you take, here the 5, near the 5 meters, at a point from here, if you go for the, here we will go for 3:4:5 method to get the correct angle towards the north side or south side. So now we are facing towards the south side. From here, from the 10 meters line, you take the point, middle of this point. From here, you go for the 4 meters 1 arc. And the same way, here also 4 meters 1 arc. From here to here, 3 meters arc. The 4 meters, it is 4 meters arc. Here also 4 meters arc. From here to here 3 meters arc. From here to here 5 meters arc. From here to here 5 meters arc. So now it came to know that this is the straight line on this. This is a straight line. You can extend this line in the shot put. It is the straight angle. So that you can extend this line, shot put, it is 19.079 meters. You have to extend, you have to make a point. This is straight line. So in this you can go for from here now we can, what is the actually this shot put, the diagram of this off diagram is 1.067. From here, when you take the point from here, 1.067. Completely, we can go for the round shape. 1.067. It is one of the easiest method. First one you have to go for the straight line. Second one is the straight line. You have to take it. Now from here, 1.067. 1.067. It is. So now we came to the straight line. The extent of the line is 19.067 from this here point, from here to 6 meters. 6 meters you go for this. 6 meters you make one arc. Here also, from here also 6 meters. So from this here 20 meters you have to cross this line. From here to here 20 meters. In the same way from here to here also 20 meters. So this is the sector lines. From here we should not go for, from here onwards you have to go for the sector lines. So this one should be 20 meters. From here to here, from catch from here to 20 sector line should be at. So this is the shot put sector. Here the shot put sector. So it can be extended maximum here, but here to here 6 meters. 6 meters here. Here also from here to 6 meters. So afterwards we have to rub these lines. This one only, this is for arc purpose you are given. So you can rub all these lines. Now we got the correct sector from these lines. From here the take up board the same 1.21220, the same way take up board. From here to here 75 centimeters make it, and you can complete this one. From here also 75 centimeters, 75 centimeters. That's all. It is the arc portion from center of this 75 centimeter extend this line. This is the shot put sector. This is the shot put sector. That's all. Same way, the discus throw also diagram also the same way. Discus throw. Discus throw. The same way here also, north to south or east, west. Always the diagram should be either facing toward the north side or facing toward the east side, the south side can be. And the same way here also same. First you go for the diagram, the straight line. But also 3, 4. This is also 3, 4, 5 method. To get the make the straight line, everybody know that it is you can go for the straight line 3, 4, 5 method. So once you go for the, if it is a 10 meters rough line, if you take 10 meters, make the point for 5 meters. From here to make the take the rope here the 4 meters, the 4 meters line here, and this side also 4 meters line, and this side as I said previously also 3 meters line, 3 meters line. To get the straight sector towards the side, you have to select this is the method. So this is the 4 meters and this is the 3 meters. From here to here 5 meters. From here to here 5 meters. 5 meters. And the same way from here to here 5 meters. So now we came to know this is the straight line, straight angle. So this line should be extend this 3 meter from here center to 3 on the 3 meters line should be extend until the 38.150 38.158 centimeters you have to extend. So again from here to after going here we'll come back in this sector and it is 1.25 the sector. You have to go for the line from take the point from center here onwards and take it from 1.25 that it is for discus throw. So where the shot put 1.067 where the discus throw it is 1.25 centimeters, 1 meter 25 centimeters. So this is a off diagram. So from here we can go from here to here 12 meters arc, 12 meters arc. From here also 12 meters arc. From here to from this 38.158 centimeters line from here to here the 12 meters arc and 12 meters arc. So from here to center to here arc go for 40 meters arc. So this arc will be completely extend to that 40 meters arc. 40 meters arc. And the same way from here to outside from here you can have to go for the 40 meters arc. So this is also it is like this should be continue from here 40 meters arc. Now the sector came now from here to here 12 meters, from here to here 12 meters. The line should be joined for the 40 meters arc. Okay. Now it came to the same way here also sector side line 75 meters should be from here to here 75 meters. So now it is the discus throw arc. In the same way the take up board also should be the same 1.22 and the same like this. This is the discus throw arc. So once after completion of this if you are rubbing all these lines everything it will come to the discus throw sector. So you will get it. Now discus throw sector. So 75 meters. 75 meters. Yes. It is a discus throw. It is also one type of easiest method when the 3:4 method. This is also one of the easiest way of to draw the discus throw and shot push throw. Thank you everybody.